The first time I sat in the concert hall, I was amazed with the feeling of closeness and presence in the music. And this is where the idea was hatched. How could you create this experience inside the car? My name is Henrik Svensson. I'm responsible for audio and displays development at Volvo Cars. When we played around with the technical possibilities of this new sound system in the cars, we saw that we had the opportunity for the first time to really recreate the acoustical environment of the concert hall inside the car. And this is a true innovation.
In this concert hall is one of the most special sounds in the world. My name is Santtu Mattias Rouvali, and I'm the new chief conductor of the Gothenburg Symphony. Ett, två. They say there is a Gothenburg string sound, which has the most warm sound and round sound. When it comes to the slow playing, then the hall is superior. There is nothing like that.
With help of over 600 individual measurements, we managed to recreate the acoustic signature of the concert hall itself. And with the powerful sound processing of this new sound system, we created something really unique. The Gothenburg Concert Hall experience inside the car.
It's amazing to hear that real sound in a car audio system. I don't know how the technicians did that. I mean, they must be clever guys and developing it together with the concert house. But when I'm out in the hall listening to the rehearsals, I can hear this totally same. I don't know how it's possible.
We are very proud of the end result in the car, and to be able to share this experience during the Nobel Week is something that really excites us. You can say that this is where innovation meets art in the best possible way.
This is nice. That's the Gothenburg sound with the strings.